Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I am going to rinse my hair a new color. Today we will be using Bigen Medium Cherry Brown. So if you want to see how this turns out, then just stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste.
I have been having a blast playing with my hair. Remember guys, I tell you to love your hair. And I have been loving mine. So, because I wear my hair curly, any rinse that I put on there, it won't last long because, you know, the moisturizers, and I'm constantly wetting my hair to make it curl up and everything like that. So, the secondary color in the rinses that I be using, it made my hair look lighter. So I decided, look at my hair, guys. Look how light that is. Let me see. Can you see that? My hair is light. Now, around here is like gray. So, sometimes when I just want to touch up my color, I will just put a darker rinse around here, right? So, the last time I did that, my hair was gorgeous. I'm thinking about doing it again, but the last time I did that, my hair was gorgeous. It was like darker here, and other spots it was darker, but it was brown. It looked like a subtle two-tone. And I'm going to bring that to you too, guys. So be looking out for that video. But I want to see, look at my hair. I want to see what this color is going to do to my hair. Okay. All right, guys. So since this is a reddish color, I am going to wash my hair and then I am going to apply it. All right. So I want to apply this rinse to clean hair. You can apply Bigen to dirty hair, but I really want to give this the best chance it can to really show up. So I don't want no product blocking it. So I am just going to wash this. Make sure it's nice and clean. And then we're going to apply this color. I am excited, guys. I am excited about applying this color. Now, guys, I don't know if you can see it, but some of my hair is brown, some of my hair is black. And when I, you know, wear my hair curly, it just shows up so pretty. Let me see. Can you see how this is like brownish red and this is black? So, man, it is so pretty when I do my set and goes. So, I want to see what this red is going to do. Oh, my goodness. This is a quick way to get different looks and not, you know, damage your hair. Rinse this out. Okay, I just rinsed out the shampoo. You can really see the two-tone. See that? See that pretty brown and that mixture of black? Bye-bye. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. I am so excited about this. I don't know why I got a white towel. Okay. Yes, and I'm telling you, when that sunlight hits that, baby, and I done washed and set my hair, woo, now, let's put this on. I ain't got no gloves. Just want to detangle it real quick. I just washed the shampoo out. We have this color here, okay? This is Medium Cherry Brown Semi-Permanent Hair Color by Bigen. That's what this is. So, I am just going to I wish I would have put on some gloves. See that? And guys, today for me is a perfect day to apply this because I am going around my house. I'm cleaning up. And I really want to leave this on. Hold on, let me get some type of gloves. All right, guys, found me some gloves. And I think I am going to keep these as my regular hair coloring gloves. I know these ain't going to tear up. So, oh, it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. I'm telling you guys, I am excited about this. And I'm going to try to leave it on for as long as possible. But I'm going to take you along with me because I may do it in a two-step process way. And all I mean by that, don't panic, is that I am not going to sit under a dryer. I can tell you that now. I'm not going to sit under a dryer, but I'll probably let this sit on my hair like maybe 20 minutes, okay? I'm gonna let it sit on my hair for like 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and mix my conditioner in with it. And let that sit for the next, 10 minutes. So all together, I'm gonna try to leave this on my hair for 30. Now, guys, you don't have to leave this on your hair for 30 minutes, blah, this and that. This is just what I chose to do, today. If you want, you can sit under a dryer and, And the reason why I'm going to do it that way, and what I mean by that is, the reason why I am going to put this color on, then let it sit for 20 minutes, and then come back and mix my conditioner in the color on my hair and let it sit for another 10 minutes, is because I'll be killing two birds with one stone. I'll be conditioning my hair and coloring it still. And also, a lot of times, like I was telling you guys earlier, when you put moisturizers and conditioners and things like that on your hair, it makes the color wash out faster. So for me, I am going to let my conditioner soak in my hair strand with the color. Because you got to remember, I hope I didn't hit nothing, especially my face. Because you got to remember, this is semi-permanent. That's why us chameleons can keep changing up. That's why we can keep changing up our hair color and having fun with our hair, guys. Now, I done used this whole bottle up and I didn't even have to. But I want to make sure that this hair color gets in there. Baby, I am going to let it sit. Now, I'm about to finish going, cleaning up and straightening up and packing up and all type of stuff. Just going to get my mind off of it. Ooh, my head itch. I am going to get my mind off of it. So, woo. So it's in there, okay? And I am going to let this sit. Just going to let it sit. Now, the other thing that you guys can do, I used to do this all the time. Let me show you. You can get some tissue, neck strip, paper towels. You can do whatever you want to do. Sometimes when I know I'm going to leave my color in a long time and I don't want it running everywhere, you can just make a base for it. Just make a base for it. You know what? I can put a rubber band on that. Hold on. So I got me a little rubber band here. See? And that'll hold that on there. I'm about to go do what I'm going to do. Let me also check the time for you guys. All right, guys, I just want to check the time. And the time is 11:42. And I'm just going to leave it on. And I will be back with you guys when I decide to add the conditioner. All right? All right, guys. Well, we're about to put on the conditioner now. All right, my chameleons. It's been 20 minutes. And for the last 10 minutes that I'm going to leave this on my hair, I'm going to put some conditioner on. And the reason why I like doing it this way, once again, is I don't have to worry about if I put the conditioner on after I wash it out, is it going to take some of my color out? So if I kill two birds with one stone doing it this way, then I know that color is going to continue to seep in my hair. And that's just me prolonging, you know, my color. Like I said, by me wearing my hair set, you know, wash and goes, it's going to come out quicker anyway because I'm constantly moisturizing my hair. The only way that this would last is if I colored my hair with a box color, a permanent color, you know, because it does matter. Let's these gloves off. How's it looking, guys? I hope by now you have subscribed. And I hope that my subscribers have shared this and liked this. Don't forget to leave a comment. I want to know which other color you want me to try once this one wear off. Okay, so now, oof, I had to put this bag back on my head. Ooh, it's a mess. It's a mess too. Okay. Oh well, it is what it is. Ooh. I don't know what I did with my rubber bands. Oh, here they are right here. I'm putting this right back on. So, make sure it's down. Make sure all the hair is covered. We are just going to make sure that this don't run all over the place. Got my rubber bands here. Yeah, that feels good. Now, guys, the next time I see you, I will be washing it out. It's time for me to wash my hair out. Man, it's been in here longer than 10 minutes. I went in 8. So, that's a little trick y'all should try. Just wrap tissue or paper towels around there. And even if it do want to seep out, it can't. So I'm about to rinse it out. right. Let's see. Did it take, y'all? Let's get more light. Did it take? Let me get some more light over here. I would say it took. It may be subtle, but I would say it took. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm still two-tone. Remember, I had some black in my hair. So what I am going to do is style it, and I'm going to see what it look like styled. All right, guys. Well, the hair is done. It's styled. Let's see if you can see the color in it. I can see it. And I know when the sun hit it, it's going to be even better than that. But guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later.
You said that you've been lonely.